Winter skin woes are real and super annoying. The cold temperature, the dry air, and the wind chill all contribute together to creating a dry and flaky complexion, and nobody wants that. Now, if you want to get that healthy glow back into your skin, then you need to make sure to follow a thorough skincare routine that is specifically designed for the winter season. Hi, I'm Nia, and today I'm going to show you how to build a winter skincare routine. Now, before we get into the video, if you're new to the Be Beautiful platform, then go ahead and subscribe right now and tap the bell notification icon so you can stay updated with our latest video. And now let's begin. Now, the first step in any skincare routine is using a cleanser. You need to always look out for a cleanser that nourishes your skin and at the same time removes dirt and impurities. Now, I've done my research and I've zeroed down on this one right here. This is Dove's Beauty Moisture Conditioning Facial Cleanser. Now, to use this cleanser, just wet your face, take a pea-sized amount of it on the palm of your hands, massage it into the skin, and then rinse off with water. It works for two reasons. It contains Nutrim Moisture Beauty Serum that is going to cleanse your face at the same time keep your skin soft and supple. Secondly, it contains lauric acid, which is a fatty acid that is commonly found in coconut, palm oil and milk. It is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, which means that it is going to soothe your skin should there be any discomfort due to dry, scaly skin. In addition, it is also going to boost the skin hydration and elasticity. So after you've cleansed your skin, it's time to add a kick of hydration. And I don't mean go ahead and grab that moisturizer. Instead, I would say that you first apply a serum for that added dose of moisture. For the winter season, I would recommend this serum right here. This is Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Radiance Overnight Oil in Serum. It is infused with 100% Moroccan argan oil, which is super light and non-greasy, and even my oily skin girls can use this. It is super lightweight. At the same time, it is non-comedogenic, which means it is not going to clog your pores. You can take 2-3 drops of this serum and then massage it onto your skin in circular motions. Now you're wondering, this is actually an overnight oil in serum, so why would I use it in the day? Well, just for the month of winters, I would recommend that you use a serum twice in a day. Trust me, you'll feel all the difference. So after you've applied the serum, let it soak into your skin for a couple of seconds and then move on to the moisturizer bit. Now for the winters, I would recommend that you opt for an oil-infused moisturizer. For those that are averse to using oil on the face and find it super sticky and messy, have not tried the one that I'm going to recommend right now. So this is the one that I recommend. This is Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Radiance Oil in Creme with SPF 30, and this is ideal for the winter season. So the key ingredient in this moisturizer is the Moroccan argan oil, which is going to revitalize your skin. At the same time, it has 30 SPF PA++, which is going to protect your skin from harmful sun rays such as the UVA and UVB rays. So when you're using this moisturizer, apply it on your skin and massage it in gentle circular motions. I would suggest you start off from the center of your face and then move towards the contours of your face. Now, there is more to skincare than just cleansing and moisturizing. As dead skin cells, oil, dirt, pollution, bacteria build up on your skin day after day, your skin loses the moisture and the glow, which is why it is super important to exfoliate your skin regularly. While exfoliating twice or thrice in a week works fine, but for the months of winters, I would limit exfoliation to once per week because your skin is going to get super dry because of the weather, and if you over exfoliate, then that's going to cause flaking and redness. Also, during winter, your skin's natural barrier is compromised, which means that you need to opt for a really gentle exfoliator. So this is St. Ivy's Gentle Soothing Oatmeal Scrub and Mask. I think this is ideal for the month of winter. So this scrub right here contains oatmeal, which is going to buff away any dry skin. It also has honey in it, which is a humectant, which is going to nourish your skin. Also, this product is dermatologically tested. It is oil-free, paraben-free and non-comedogenic, which means those that have oily skin can also use this and it won't clog your pores. When you're using this scrub, make sure that your skin is damp. Work the product into the skin in small circular motions. and then rinse off with lukewarm water. Now the next step in your skincare routine has to be to use a sheet mask. In the months of winter, sheet masks add that extra dose of hydration. So on a weekly basis, I like to pamper my skin with a serum infused sheet mask like this one right here. This is Pond's Firming Serum Mask. It contains collagen, hyaluronic acid, brown algae extracts, making it the ideal sheet mask for the month of winters. Why the sheet mask? Well, let me explain you. So first of all, the ingredient that it has is collagen, which is going to keep your skin firm and plump. It is also going to add hydration, and it is going to keep any kind of roughness and dryness away. Second thing this particular mask has is it has hyaluronic acid, which is going to keep the fine lines and wrinkles away. Thirdly, this contains brown algae extracts, which is great in increasing cellular energy production, which is in turn going to renew skin cells. So I like using this sheet mask right here, especially during the night, because it gives me that good night's sleep. What I like to do is I like to just place it on my skin, keep it on for about 15 minutes, and then take it off. And then the excess liquid that you'll find in this sachet, what I do is I use a facial tool and then just massage it into the skin. The cold weather can really hurt your lip game, which means you need to have a lip balm in your winter skincare routine, because a lip balm forms a protective layer over your lips against any kind of damage due to winter. Now, as you know, your lips are super delicate and they have no sebaceous glands, which means that they cannot produce moisturizing oils as the rest of your skin, making it more susceptible to winter related damage. So I love this lip balm right here. This is Vaseline's Lip Therapy Color and Care. What I love about this lip balm is that it has amazing oils and butters in it. Like it has almond oil, shea butter, cocoa butter. It's going to really lock in the moisture, and it's going to keep your lips moisturized for up to 24 hours. Also, did you know this is tinted and it gives me that perfect kissable pout for the month of winters. I hope this video helps you customize your very own winter skincare routine. Before I go, make sure that you like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful, and tap the bell notification icon so you can stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, bye guys.